space, time, and life. What if I told you these things did not actually exist? What if I told you that we are living in an alternate universe? That World War II never even happened? Welcome to the hinge. The first difference between your universe, the alternate, and the true universe is that Wilhelm II made intelligent decisions. I'm not being sarcastic. He liked the way that the English did things, so he decided that he would make Bismark prime minister so that he could go hang out with the chicks. And that, as they say, is how your cookie crumbles. This is the most vital difference between the real universe and your alternate.
Ah, Bismark. Ich schweigten Diebe. Guten Tag.
Nacht das Bächlein-Dückchen Strüde.
Bächlein-Dückchen Strüde, wie denn das geht Sie sind betraut.
Nein. As you can see, Wilhelm didn't make the right choice.
Nein. Das ist die Bächlein-Dückchen Strüde einmal durch.
Since Wilhelm II didn't screw things up, Bismarck was able to make a peace treaty with both Russia and America. It was called WATO, the World Atlantic Treaty Organization. Don't think about it too much, but shout out to Bismarck, like a boss. This is the creation of WATO.
Hello, my friends. Now, I propose that my Russians with our superior technology, we will conquer Asia and move ourselves into Australia.
Well, we over here in America can just go take out the Western Hemisphere.
Yeah. And we will take the rest, but I'm still in charge.
As long as we have peace and prosperity, I'm cool with that.
Yeah.
It was not necessary to the existence of WATO. They were kicked out. And Germany, starting in Central Europe, moved north and south, taking all of Europe and Africa. The United States pushed north and south, taking all of the Americas. And Russia, starting in Asia, moved east and south, taking over all of Asia and Australia. That's how they became known as the Three Powers. That's all because Wilhelm didn't screw things up. Since Bismarck was able to renew his alliance with Austria and Russia, he was able then to effectively take out France and England. And since he was also allies with America, America didn't have to fight World War II. This lack of industrialization is what never led to fine trucks such as this. This is why, in the true America, in the true universe, there is no Ford, GMC, or any other cool trucks for that matter.
Hey, can I get some help over here?
Oi, what are you doing? It's a restricted area, mate. You can't back up.
The main reason England was no match for the Triple Alliance is because they didn't have any fine tea. How you doing, man? Since Germany finished off World War I, there was actually no reason for Hitler to take power. But of course, he tried anyway. Unfortunately, his only running line was kill the Jews, which didn't go well since the Jews were in charge of the WATO banking. Go ahead, take the shot.
Am I clear to take the shot?
Take the shot.
So, we still get paid for this, right?